Ever wonder why Satan, the devil, the liar, the false accuser, the enemy of all good works so hard to keep people, and all other religions, from taking Jesus' challenge on how they can get to know, not just believe, that his teaching is from God the Father, thereby proving that the Holy Bible is God the Father's Word, and that Jesus is God, the Son? Well, there are several reasons. If they would read the Bible, they would see, in the book of Acts, chapter 20 verse 28, the warning to ministers to feed the church of God, which he has purchased with his own blood, meaning Jesus. And they would read where God the Father himself calls Jesus God. That is found in the book of Hebrews, chapter 1 verse 8, where God the Father says unto the Son, Thy throne, O God, is forever and ever. How much would you wager that all people and all other religions would tell their followers that they have been wrong, and that Jesus is God? That he did truly rise from the dead? That he is alive and sits at this very moment at the right hand of God the Father? That the Holy Bible is truly God the Father's Word, and all that is written in it is true? And to atheists, that God truly does exist. This is why Satan, the devil, the liar, the false accuser, the enemy of all good, works so hard to keep people, and all other religions, from taking Jesus' challenge on how they can get to know, not just believe, that his teaching truly did come from God the Father. There is a spiritual war that has been going on ever since Lucifer attempted to be like the Most High God and failed. He knows he is doomed, but wants to take down as many with him as possible. How many times have we seen some people, knowing that they are going to die, take as many as possible with them? These were Lucifer's children, giving one and all a bird's-eye view of the intention of their father. Want to know the truth? Since others will not admit it, take Jesus' challenge for yourself. It is found on the homepage of our website, bestbiblestudyOnEarth.com.